Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping your device and getting Termux installed because this gives you a true Linux shell. First, make sure Android 7, 0 or newer and about 1 GB free. Once done, install Termux, open it, then run pkg update and pkg upgrade to refresh packages. Next, install Python with pkg install Python and confirm with Python version. This step gives you the interpreter and pip, so you can run scripts and install libraries just like on a PC. Once Python is installed, you configure your environment so development is reliable. Create a virtual environment with Python mvenv and activate it using source-env/bin/activate. This isolates dependencies. Then install needed packages with pip install requests flask numpy. Make sure to choose only what you need to save space. Also install a terminal editor like Vim or Nano and enable Termux API if you need access to camera or storage. These steps let you code. You finish by running and deploying your code, then resolving common issues. Start scripts with Python script. Py. For persistent tasks, use nohup Python script. Py and/or install tmux. If you run a Flask app, bind to 0, 0, 0, 0 so other devices can connect on the network and use port forwarding if needed. If something breaks, check that path points to the env, confirm Termux has storage and network permissions, and inspect pip freeze to find conflicting versions. That single check solves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.